Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini, a sign. Wow. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You both have strong emotions. But Gemini, what's going on? And Six of Swords with Nine of Cups. Maybe you decided to walk away. Your wishes are going to be granted in the month of May. Maybe someone is coming to fix the things between both of you. There is some communication is coming. For some, you both live in different cities, countries or states. You both are in long distance relationship. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Three of Swords. So you both love each other a lot. There was a lot of love between both of you. But Three of Swords, you are heartbroken. Maybe for some you both are in no contact situation right now. Maybe some issues had happened between both of you. For some you are in no contact, separation. But still you both are very you both have strong emotions towards each other for sure. Because King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. Then present Seven of Cups, Death and Knight of Pentacles. Maybe you think it was ended between both of you, but it is not. Definitely they're planning to come back again. For some it could be new. I think it is a past person, but again they're in very slow moving energy. Maybe you have options. Maybe you are confused. For some you are fantasizing about them a lot. And Death card is here. For some cycles are ending, but it is not a complete ending. Because death always not doesn't mean that it was ended, but I think they are planning to come back. Here Knight of Pentacles is here. Then future energies, Knight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. So I think there are two persons I am seeing. For some, one is new, one is past. For some it could be a old person only. It depends on your situation totally. But someone is rushing to communicate with you. And Eight of Pentacles, but you are focusing on your career. Creating more money, you want financial stability. And Ace of Wands, but this person has a lot of passion towards you and you have a lot of passion towards your work. Because you are heartbroken in relationship, that's why you are main focus on your career right now. But I think two persons coming towards you. One could be past and other could be new. For some it could be only one person. It depends on your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Gemini, let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. The Fool under the deck. So let's see their feelings. Again, Death cards. Definitely a person want rebirth in this connection, but right now they are not talking to you. They are healing their self, Four of Swords energy, but they are thinking about you. They are thinking to communicate with you. They want to send them text message to you. Maybe they are immature. For some children also involved in this connection. Judgment. I think they are in the process of making decision. Yes, they are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship, but they want rebirth in this connection. Maybe they also thinking that it was ended, but it is not. They want to come back, they want to rebirth in this connection. So let's see their intention. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Lot of thinking, and they are thinking about you a lot, Gemini. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely they are getting their strength, they're healing their self before coming towards you. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely they're planning something big. This time they're very serious about you, and they are coming back with stable offer. And Two of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe you person have options, but they're going to be choose you if they have. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So the signs Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Leo, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two cards. Strong Scorpio, maybe the person involved in this connection could be World with Six of Swords. Yes, there is some communication to fix the things between both of you. Is coming. Queen of Swords is here. Definitely there is some clarity is also coming, and the world, for some the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. But definitely they want to fix the things between both of you. Again here Six of Swords. And your wishes are going to be granted. Yes, still there are a lot of disturbances between both of you, but it is temporary. And Seven of Swords under the deck, maybe trust issues, you are not trusting them, but this time they are coming back with seriousness, because Knight of Pentacles, they are very serious about you, but you are not trusting them. Maybe some trust issues in past, maybe they played games with you, they break your trust. Yeah, Hierophant with Three of Pentacles, reconciliation. Yeah, for some there is a chance for reconciliation, because Three of Pentacles with Hierophant, I think in past there is no collaboration, partnership between both of you, but you both want same thing. Definitely they are coming back. I am seeing this relationship is going to be next level, Gemini. Yes, but for some it will take some time, because they are in very slow moving energy. So let's see some messages for you from your person and through the channel. I'm feeling sad without you. New love is coming. Yes, for some new love is coming. I realized my mistake. Family issues for some. And options. So the messages are, I am feeling sad without you. Options, new love is coming, family issues, I realized my mistake. These are the messages from you person, and I want to be with you forever. So take what resonates. For some, definitely options, one person maybe have in this connection. Maybe new love is coming, family issues. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Gemini. Step out of your comfort zone. You are very close to achieving your goal. Wow, both are correlated. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, so this is the message for you. Step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently, and you are very close to achieving your goal. Yes. So if you are doing when you step out of your comfort zone, doing hard work consistently, then you are very close to achieve your goal. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.